Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg and this is a 66 Chevelle. Real 138 car, 396 under the hood, beautiful black interior, and you're gonna love checking it out. So go to the website at vanguardmotorsales.com. We're gonna put it up on the lift so you can check out the underside. We're gonna pop the hood, we're gonna fire it up, we're gonna get out and drive it, we're gonna look inside the trunk. We're gonna show you everything you wanna see so you can make a great decision on your Chevelle investment. So come on up and we'll fire this big block up for you right now. All right, check this beauty out, man. The paint is laid down on there slick as can be. That chrome looks brand new. The anodized aluminum looks great. The grill's in beautiful shape. Headlight surrounds look good. All the gaps are nice and straight. The hood's nice and flush. The metallic is laid on there smooth as can be. I mean, it is near perfect paint job on this car. Just phenomenal. We got great looking rev wheels on it. We got the 396 badging there. This line here is nice and straight and it's also nice and flush with the fender. The rocker molding looks good. Looks like this vent window chrome is brand new. Side view mirror looks like it's brand new. Door handle also looks brand new. Looks like the fuzzies have been replaced in the windows. See, the door operates nice and smooth, and look at that jam. Look at the lips here on the door skin. Latch looks like it was out when it was restored. Rubber's new. Door panel looks beautiful. Carpeting looks brand new. It's a 4-speed. It's got a center console in it. Steering wheel looks great. Got tack mounted down there. 3-pack of gauges mounted under the dash. There looks like there's seat belts in the rear there also. Package tray's in good shape. Headliner looks good, dome lights working, sun visors look great, and look at the chrome and the lenses on the dash there. You can see the faces of the gauges are nice and clean. The dash pad itself's in beautiful shape. Just one gorgeous car right here. You look down that big long flat quarter panel, look at those reflections. I mean, it looks like a blue mirror. We got great looking emblems. Chrome on the back bumper looks good. All the aluminum back here is looking great. Chevrolet emblem looks good. Look inside the trunk here. Nice and clean inside the trunk. See all the paint work in here, how nice and neat all this is. Nice neat paint work on the bottom side of the deck lid. The lips are all nice and smooth here where that skin for that deck lid wraps around the edges. When you look down the side of the car, look at those reflections. The car is amazing, guys. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we're not consignment dealers. That means we own this Chevelle, so you can bet we checked it out before we bought it. Now I'm involved in buying every one of the cars here at Vanguard, and we've been buying between 45 and 50 cars every month. So what that means to you is you're getting my expertise helping you pick out your dream car. Now we've got about 240 cars in stock and we've always got new stuff coming in. So watch us on YouTube, Facebook, and check our website often. Now let's go outside and drive this. All right, let's take our 66 for a ride. Listen to that exhaust. Man, there's nothing better than a 4-speed with a loud exhaust and a big block under the hood. Sounds great. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we can park this 66 anywhere in the world for you. You just give us a call at 248-974-9513. Now Tom's answering his phone 7 days a week and practically 24 hours a day. Call him anytime. If you don't get a hold of him, leave him a message and he will call you back. Even if you don't leave him a message, Expect a call back from that man. He will call you. Listen to this thing. Man, it sounds great. Now, if you need help with financing, we got bankers. We can help you out with financing. Only takes a 10 or 15 minute phone call with the banker, and we can get this dream parked in your driveway right away. Now, it's sounding awesome, looking even better. I'll tell you what, we've had this thing in the showroom for the last couple of days, and people are just freaking all over it. Now, down here on the dash, you can see the speedo is working, the tach's working. We got a 3-pack of gauges here underneath the dash. It does have the stock AM radio that came from the factory. I mean, and look at that, driving with no hands, going straight down the road here. She is beautiful. Now, we're real close to the airport if you want to fly in and check it out. Now, we do sell about 95% of our cars sight unseen, but we do love to have our customers come in and or send us somebody you know to inspect it, or call an independent inspector. We will treat an inspector just like we treat you. Send them out, we'll show them the car. We'll get this baby parked in your driveway. Listen to it. Man, does it sound good. Now, we're about to do something nobody else in the industry does. We're gonna put this Chevelle up on the lift and check out the bottom side. And we're gonna show it to you. And then we're gonna pop the hood and we're gonna take a look at what's going on under the hood and making all that music coming out of those tailpipes. Here's our building right up here. We're at 15100 Keel Street in Plymouth, Michigan. We do have 80,000 square feet of indoor storage and over 240 cars in stock. So if you do come to visit, please call us and let us know you're coming so we can get your favorite vehicle right up front so we can check it out quick. Now stick with us, we're gonna get this thing up in the air for you right now. All right, we're underneath this 66 Chevelle now, and man, it is pretty under here. You can see it's brand new chrome. Looks like the tank is brand new too. The straps definitely look new. Exhaust system is fairly new. Drop downs look good, trunk floor looks good. The bushings on the body are in good shape. It looks like the bushings were restored at one time on the lower control arms. They do not look brand new, but they definitely are not original. Flowmaster mufflers, right around a 410 gear in this 12 bolt, and it is posi. The frame, always check the lower areas in the frame. This frame looks great. Always check the back side of the rockers. Always check that pinch weld too. And look at these floorboards, all nicely painted. Somebody spent a bunch of time cleaning these up and making them beautiful. I tell you what, I'd be proud to put mirrors underneath this car and show off these floorboards. They're looking great. Fuel line looks like it's in good shape. Also, the brake line looks in good shape. We got a Muncie 4-speed trans here. It does have the stock mechanical clutch. It does have the stock bell housing. It's got headers on it. These are long tube headers. It does have an upgraded brake system in the front. These are disc brakes. They look like they're brand spanking new. Also looks like the ball joints, upper and lower, have been replaced. Looks like it's got brand new shocks and brand new springs up front too. Sway bar bushings look good. Looks like that fuel pump's brand new too. It does have a aluminum radiator in it. Chrome on the front bumper looks good. Always check the core support on these cars too. This core support's in beautiful shape and it's painted body color. Now let's look at wheels and tires. All right, up front here we got some chrome. These are actually aluminum wheels, but they've been chromed. 215, 55, 17s. I always check the back sides of the front fenders, reach around in there, feel around. That one feels like it's beautiful. Now the rocker molding looks good, and again, this is another chance to look at this pinch weld. It looks good, and this is the low area in the frame again in the front. This is the area you need to check on every one of these cars. Now let's check at the rear. All right, out back here again, same good looking wheel, and looks like 235, 55, 17s back here. And also feel this lip right here. Feel where that inner wheelhouse is welded to the quarter. It's nice and clean. And again, check that pinch weld back here on the rocker and that drain hole in the rocker too. Let's take a look under the hood. All right, under the hood here, we got a 72 model 402. It's basically a 396. I tell you, General Motors called 402s 396s and 396s 402s for a lot of years. It's got a 600 CFM Holley carb. It does have an electric choke on it. Looks like an MSD distributor and coil. Looks like it's got power brakes. All that looks brand new. It looks like SSBC on the master there. It does have power steering. Inner wheelhouses are painted body color. Firewall looks great, and it's also painted body color. All the wiring's nice and neat. The hoses look good. There's that big, it's a Be Cool aluminum radiator. It does have a aluminum intake on it. Big tube headers. I see the tops of those brand new shocks. Looks like it's got a brand new battery in it also. Nice and clean under here, guys. This is a sweet ride. Call us at 248-974-9513 and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your drive.